Assalamu alaikum. This is Tafsir and welcome back to my slow English podcast. Today I'm gonna share with you my village, the beauty of my village, and I'm going to express it. I'm going to describe it. I'm going to explain it in English. That is how actually you will be able to know some English sentences, some vocabularies, and that is how you will be able to make improve your English as well. So English actually, slow English actually, is very helpful to listen. So that is the reason I try to make some slow English podcast to my lovely brothers and sisters, those who are trying hard for learning English every day. And these kinds of slow English podcast, it's very helpful to understand. It's very helpful to perceive the language, what the speakers talking about. So let's describe my lovely village, my beautiful village. So actually, I hope that you can see behind of me. It's a big field and it's very beautiful. Actually, right now is evening time, so it's little bit darkness. That's the reason it's not so bright. It's not so colorful, but I hope you can watch and you can understand the the things that how beautiful my village is. So let me share you and let me show you it properly and perfectly. So that is actually my behind the skin. So right now I'm gonna share to you. I'm gonna show to you my front side of mine. So this is the front side of mine, and I hope you can see how beautiful is this. So this is actually a bill, and this bill is very nice and it's quite big, not very big, but it's quite big, and not so deep, but medium deep I can say. And uh, many people from near side of my village, near side of my local area, and others areas, others villagers, others towns and cities play peoples every day comes to my village to enjoy the natural beauty of my village, and comes they come with their family, with their friends, and enjoy the beauty of the nature. So today I am trying to enjoy as well the nature, the beauty, and as well as enjoying with English. And also I am trying to show you some English language, some English sentences, some English expression, things and thoughts. And also I am trying to show you that how you can also describe anything in English. And by describing, by explaining every day your daily life things and thoughts and places, anything else, you also become a good English speaker. So if you want to become a good English speaker, you have to practice like that every day. So every single day, if you can practice speaking English in your daily life, so you also become a good English speaker very soon. So my dear brothers and sisters, those who are watching me till now for the full videos, thank you so much from the core of my heart. And I'm inviting you for the next Slow English podcast, for the next English tips and tricks videos that will help you a lot to learn English. So till then, stay good, stay positive, and stay productive. Bye bye. টেক কেয়ার। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।